Happy Monday, everybody. Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Welcome back to German AutoHaus. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share it. Sharing is caring. Don't forget that. Today we have the pleasure of working on an RS7 that came into us, and we're doing a Akrapovic exhaust. And we have a very tired zombie walking right there. That guy. Oh, I guess he fell in love with it.
Love this car, and mostly I like this color. Narda gray, it's like my favorite. I mean, any VAC, Audi, Lamborghini, whatever, Volkswagen, I think that color brings a lot of more attention. And this actually Lamborghini, we have a couple of them with the Narda gray. And I know one guy, he chose this color and pinned his M5 on Narda gray, because see how is the car looks, and combo black and gray. This looks amazing. Okay, Ilya, yeah, go ahead, finish what you wanna do on this car, and I back to little bit different Narda gray. Like,
just a little bit different.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're working on this one today. The customer brought it into us because he wants to do a cat back exhaust made by Akrapovic, and all the goodies are here. So we're gonna get started here shortly. We've showed you many videos of these, so we're not gonna get into too much detail, but we'll show you here and there on how things are gonna be. And he also wants to install this wonderful
CETE suspension.
Yeah, suspension system. So we'll be doing that on this car too. We already showed you this on one of the cars, so it's very similar. You got something to say?
Yeah, guys, this is our future vlog about this Alpina B7 project, but this is how is the engine looks. And we got the turbos from one of the good company from Canada. We wanna add it on description on this vlog, the company who built the turbos for us. And yeah, we continue fight with that brand new 2023 911, and this is F8 Tributo. It's going back to stock. It's gonna be back to stock suspension. We removed the Novitec spring and exhaust. This is just a muffler, and that car is just a back to stock. But the Porsche is really interesting things. We show what kind of exhaust we done, and we wanna make for him one more exhaust because he says it's too loud.
You need to quiet it down.
Yeah, but I mean, it is what it is, and I hope the Shippy Race project we finish really soon. But this is different vlog, and for us it's just like it's a big break for us. Yeah, let's go back to this beautiful RS7 and all goodies installation.
Alright guys, we showed you this before, but I figured I showed you one more time since this is an RS7. But pretty much it's the same thing as an RS6. The pipes all connect. Akrapovic did a real good job. It all connects to, let me show you, factory downpipes. I don't know if you can see or not, but it goes all the way back. It's got a valve here, which got a wiring that we have to run. You can see right there. It goes all the way to the passenger side in the back. Then goes the Akrapovic mufflers. We still have to put in the tips. Oops, sorry. Still have to put in the tips. And that's about it. All the wiring has been run. And for the suspension, we also, while we had the exhaust off, we ran that. So that's all tucked in away and good to go.
Detune downgrade, and this is the logo what I removed from previous company, put it installation, and they just like, oh, let me flip over, they just glue it. You can see the glue, just like glue it. Yeah, I don't know, a good job guys. They just glue it. But the other one, no glue, just the one single nut. And like you can see, good job. Well, I need to remove one more badge and then start install the suspension, original suspension back. The factory exhaust is already in, you can see it here. Here is the catalytic converter right there, and here is the PPF, it's called petrol particular filter or ash filter, ash catalytic. Oh, let me grab the flashlight, you can see inside from this
See, it looks like a diesel. But yeah, now its car is really quiet. And we remove exhaust. It's funny, you can see here is the exhaust from some California shop, and here is the, let me grab the one metallic from famous company calling Fab Speed. But guys, I'm just like, I'm really surprising about the quality of exhaust. I'm too picky. See, what is that? It's like it's like these parts cost at least 3,000-4,000, and it's, let's go compare this quality and this quality. Here is the comparing quality of the welding, and just gently grab pure quality, guys. Check how is different, how it looks, our quality and how it looks.
See how bad, what Dima's trying to explain,
Yeah.
all the little welds, look how tacky it looks like a fifth grader did it, where it's not even, there's no finesse, there's no love in it, it's just literally bzz, done. Look at hers, look how smooth, clean, like there is just a fine line, beautiful design.
Yeah, this is like a coin. It's, I mean,
You're talking Gucci, you're talking Walmart.
yeah, this is mean how the exhaust looks like, and this is still expensive. See, this welding stitches how it looks. It's, the stitches sometimes it's strong, sometimes it's beautiful, and sometimes it's beautiful and strong. Well, anyway, we did the service for this car, adjust the suspension. This almost adjust because we removed the Novitec spring. The Novitec spring is already in, you can see right there, and we need to adjust a little bit to stock leveling. And car is done. We release this car, be back to this Porsche and few more engines. Continue work on M8. Oh, by the way, we have a GT3 RS for some inspection and tracker installation, few more things. Okay, let's finish this guy. But car is, it's really beautiful. And now after, I can imagine how it's quiet, that car, after we install everything back. I mean, you can talk, just, and this is, you can quietly talk.
And you can breathe.
And you can breathe, right?
Hey guys, while Dima's finishing up the F8, the M8, we're doing a full, it's not coilover, it's basically springs, lowering springs, but they're adjustable by KWs. We're also doing mirror caps to make them carbon fiber. We got a front lip customer brought us, so slowly finishing everything up. As you can see, factory strut with a KW kit. Same in the back. That's all done. It's a little interesting design because you have to press these onto the strut, onto the shock. So it's an interesting process. If you don't have a press, it might be a little difficult to do at home. It is doable, but it's not an easy one to do. So yeah, we'll keep you posted. We'll let you know how it turns out. Take care.
It's done. You can see all badges is same. Level same. Everything is good. Service is done. Car is back to stock. Nice and beautiful Ferrari, and ready to the new owner. We planning to ship this car today. Not today, tomorrow. But yeah, it's completely done. And we jump to GT3 RS. We continue work on this GT3. Guys, you can take a look. It's a new exhaust, titanium here. GT3 RS is done. F8 today, left to California. We work on V8 R8, and here is the one more toys. This is SVJ 2020. Hello beauty, welcome to Jordan AutoHaus, and today we just do the annual service for this car. Look at this color. Wow, super beautiful. The plain annual service, brake flush, air cabin filter, cabin filter, wiper blade, key battery, oil change. The engine oil is already drained. Here is the, you can see the capacity, it's little bit over 12 quart, it's mean like 12 liters. Filter installed. I already installed the new filter, pre-charged. It's like filled the full of engine oil. Here is the cabin filter, old one, new one is already in, and I need to start do the brake flush. We used Mathieu DOT4 for this car, and this is how it looks. Cabin filter replacement. Need to remove the cargo area and hood for removing cargo area. Now brake flush, and then need to fill engine oil and fire up and adjust the level. Beautiful car is done, and we finished late yesterday, and today early morning the car left to the new owner. We work on Maserati Levante with the beautiful Italian straps on the front grille. Just the annual service, front brakes, rear brakes, and of course oil change and air cabin filters. Alex work on Eric's car. Eric's our friend, and the common issue, this model is already, can you give me a flashlight? Let me show you. Okay. Guys, we showed that things many time, and this is common problem with that output shaft O-rings is need to be replaced, and he's almost removed that unit, sump pump and water pump for that replacement. Beautiful car, but it's leaving to new owner really soon.